I'm totally channeling Luna right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really fun haul video for you today. I'm going to be sharing with you some of the items that I've picked up to pack on my upcoming trip to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I'm headed down there really soon. I'm going to be riding the new Hagrid roller coaster, and I love getting prepared for trips. It's half the fun for me, especially planning what I'm gonna pack, what I'm gonna wear, and it is so fun to get dressed up at Harry Potter World. I keep saying Harry Potter World. Of course, it's Universal Studios, but the main draw for me is the Harry Potter area. I'm going with my best girlfriend, and the two of us, we really love getting into it, wearing the Harry Potter merchandise. We are huge Harry Potter fans, and so I found some really fun stuff to share with you in case you're planning a trip or you're also a Harry Potter fan. I'm gonna link the items below. None of this is sponsored. It's just really stuff I love and wanted to share with you, starting with this t-shirt that I have on right here. I am so in love with it. It's the cutest shirt. It says every flavor beans please. I thought it was such a cheerful pattern. The colors are so bright and vibrant. It definitely reminds you of every flavor beans. They had this shirt in a couple different designs. I got this from a small online boutique, an independent little online store. It's called Endearing Boutique. I'm gonna link it below. So they had this shirt in like white and cream and red, and then they had other shirts similar to this, like things that said chocolate frogs please, lemon sherbet please. Really cute designs. They've got a ton of Harry Potter stuff, so check them out if you like Harry Potter merchandise. I got another t-shirt from a different little online boutique. This one is so adorable. I wore this in one of my recent videos. I did DIY chocolate frog and Honeydukes bows. I'll link that video if you want to check it out. I'm going to be wearing those with these outfits. But I was wearing this shirt in that video and I got a bunch of comments. So obviously it looks like the Levi's logo, but it says Leviosa. Wingardium Leviosa is the spell that Hermione has to correct Ron on. I love anything Ron and Hermione related. They're my absolute favorite part about Harry Potter, so I love merchandise that reminds me of them. This is really, really cute. This was from a shop called The Class of 23. They also have really adorable t-shirts, so check them out. I will link them below. And then I got a tank top from T Public, and this design I saw on a bunch of shops, so this is really easy to find, but it is super, super cute. It's a Quidditch shirt, and it says National Quidditch Association, but what I like about it is it looks like the NBA logo, but of course it's NQA, and I'm a huge NBA fan, a huge basketball fan. I live and breathe Miami Heat, love them, so I thought this would be really, really fun. Like I said, I saw this design on a bunch of different sites, so if you liked this design, it's going to be super easy to find, but I will link this exact one that I got. I guess I should be telling you guys the sizes. This is a small. Huh, I thought I ordered a medium. This is a small, and it's unisex. So when I'm ordering unisex clothes, I usually get a medium in unisex, but it fits as I had expected. And this is a medium unisex. This that I'm wearing is a medium. And then I got this t-shirt from Hot Topic. Hot Topic has really great Harry Potter shirts and Disney shirts, and it's a chocolate frog t-shirt. How cute is this? It looks like a retro design. Can you see it? It's like a chocolate frog's Honeydukes design. I love the pink color. It's super pretty. I got this, I think, in a medium. I think so. Doesn't say the size on the shirt because I cut it. You might be able to tell that I cut this shirt. I like to do that sometimes if I have a t-shirt with the colors like a little snug, or the sleeves are a little snug. I thought this would be cute drapey, so now it's a little bit off shoulder. Really cute. If you guys are interested in seeing how I do that, I'd love to show you. It's really super simple. So I cut a scoop out of the neck, and I cut the sleeves as well and rolled them a little bit. I cut the bottom. Really cute. I like to get Harry Potter Hot Topic shirts because they often are running like 30% off deals, and that's when I bought that one. So that's the t-shirts. Oh wait, I forgot there's one more thing I have to grab. Alright, it just took me like half an hour to find this item. Does that happen to you? Like, you're packing, you know what you want to pack, you feel like you're organized, and then you can't find the stuff. Anyway, it was worth it. This is an adorable dress. It's gonna be with everything. It's kind of like a skater style. It's got these, it's just this really light fabric. It almost feels like linen. It's not, but it's really lightweight. It's really pretty. It's got these Luna Lovegood images on it. I'm gonna hold it up for you guys. So you've got her little glasses, and we've got, it's like a thestral, or is it a unicorn? I'm not sure. And then I'm guessing a little raven for Ravenclaw, or radish. How cute. So it's a Luna Lovegood dress. I got this at Hot Topic. It fits beautifully. I got this in a large. It's just really flowy, really pretty. I love it. A Harry Potter dress. How cute is that? Like I said, Hot Topic. I will link it below. I think that's really versatile. I wear skirts and dresses in theme parks all the time. So that's really it for clothes. I have this item, and it's not really clothing, but it's pajamas. So, you know, why not wear Harry Potter pajamas when you go to Harry Potter World? I got this adorable sleep shirt. It is so cute. It's got the rolled sleeves. It's like, you know, it's one of those nightgowns that looks like a man's pajama top, but it's longer. It's really, really comfortable, really soft, and it looks like a Gryffindor like uniform. Like, it looks like something you would wear if you were a Gryffindor student when you were retiring to the Gryffindor dormitories. We've got a little Harry Potter in the pocket, a little Gryffindor patch. There's Hedwig. It's so cute. I got this at a store called Primark. It was only $15, guys. I've talked about Primark on this channel before. It's a British store, but I am lucky enough to live near one here in the States. There's a few in the US, and they just sell really inexpensive but cute clothing. I lived in London for a year in my 20s, and that's where I discovered Primark. So I'm so happy now to live near one. They often have great Harry Potter stuff. They always have really good Disney stuff. So if you live near a Primark, go check it out. They always have really cute pajamas. And then I got a number of purses. So I am really into this trend right now of these purses that are shaped like objects. And Danielle Nicole is a purse designer who does this beautifully. She makes really wonderful Disney handbags. I've shown them before on this channel, and she just recently started doing Harry Potter designs, and they are so cute. I love her Harry Potter bags. I don't even know which of her designs is my favorite, but I got 2 Danielle Nicole bags. This one is so adorable. Look at this, guys. It is an, I'm gonna pronounce this wrong. I always have to pronounce these Harry Potter words on this channel. Amortentia, maybe? Amortentia. It's the Love Potion. It is so pretty. I love this pink color. I love the heart shape. And then the strap, it's a crossbody. And the strap is rose gold. Can you see that? And on the back it says Amortentia. I think that's how you pronounce it. Really pretty. Again, this is something that's kind of associated with Ron and Hermione. If you read the books or watch the movies, you know what I'm talking about. And then I got this other one that is so cute. Again, this is a Ron Weasley throwback. Look at this, guys. It is a howler. How adorable is this? It's another crossbody. The red color is so vibrant. It's like kind of glittery. Can you tell? I don't know if it's coming up, but it's a little bit glittery. It's so pretty. Of course, a howler is the angry message that Mrs. Weasley sends to Ron when Ron and Harry crash Mr. Weasley's car into the Whomping Willow. And it even has here like the message that she sends to him. Your father's now facing an inquiry at work, and it's entirely your fault. So cute. And then here it even has like the little tag to Ron Weasley. I'm in love with it. How cute is this? This was kind of hard to find. I got this, I think, jet.com, which is like a Walmart associated website of all things. This was hard to find, but I will put links below to those bags. The Amortentia one, I think, is a little easier to find. Danielle Nicole also has a night bus bag out right now that is so adorable. Look into it if you like Harry Potter purses. And then this was an impulse buy. I was at Hot Topic. I don't shop at Hot Topic that often, but they have great fandom merchandise. And I saw this purse and I said, yeah, that's gonna come home with me. Look at this. It is so sweet and adorable. It is a Honeydukes trunk. Look at this. These patches are so cute. We've got every flavor beans, pumpkin pasties, chocolate frogs, a little Honeydukes label. There's a few patches on the other side as well. They're not nearly as cute, so they clearly designed it so that you had all the good ones on one side. And you can hold it like this, and it's also a crossbody Really sweet. This would be great too just for like travel. If you didn't want to use it as a handbag, you could hold cosmetics and toiletries in it. Love this. I'm gonna link it below. Super, super cute. Yeah, so we're getting to the end of it. I think I just have 2 more things to show you. Yep. So I got a couple little accessories that are really, really adorable. I got both of these. I got 2 different pairs of earrings that I'm bringing, and I got both of these sets on the site AliExpress. Again, I've talked about them before. They are great for finding inexpensive things. Their shipping takes a while, so you have to order way in advance, but you can find steals on their website. And I got these adorable little radish earrings. Yeah, I'm gonna see if they're gonna show up. There you go. They're little radishes. How adorable. And I think I paid like $1.50. They're little dangly things. Super pretty. If a radish earring could be described as pretty, I think these could be described as pretty. And of course, Luna Lovegood, she wears radish earrings, so I'm gonna wear these when I wear the Luna dress. It's just a sweet little nod. I mean, it's not something major that you would notice, but I will know it's there, and it is so, so cute. And then these are my favorite. I got these little chocolate frog earrings. You guys, I almost died. Look at this. How cute are they? They're just these little stud earrings. They look like chocolate frogs. And they're not even that small. Like, they're a pretty good size. And I think I paid like $1.50, maybe $2. I think I got both sets of earrings for under $4. So super affordable, a really sweet, fun little touch. If you like getting dressed up in Harry Potter merchandise, check them out for accessories. You can find really great deals. So there you go. That's what I've got going on. If you like Harry Potter shopping and Harry Potter merch, check out some of my other videos. I recently did a haul of stuff I got at the Dollar Tree that's sort of Harry Potter Universal Studios themed, including these glasses. Look at that. Do I not look like I'm totally channeling Luna right now. So check that out. I will link that below. I also did, as I mentioned, a bow tutorial. Oh, look, I have them here. So I've got some chocolate frog bows that I made. I will link below how you can make these. I did a chocolate frog bow. I did a little Honeydukes bow. Super fun. I cannot wait to wear all of this. I'm going to be there in just a few days. So if you guys are interested in seeing some of the parks, I'm going to be vlogging while I'm there. Hit the red subscribe button so you can see those. It's going to be coming out really, really soon. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will do more Harry Potter stuff. I really love it. And leave me a comment below. Let me know what your favorite item was if you're going to be on the lookout for any of this stuff. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.